So in the next tutorial, I'll be talking about editor. So don't worry about this. I'll explain from doc type to HTML, how to create your folder, and how to navigate inside your Visual Studio Code. But for now, let's just understand tags and attributes. So let's talk about HTML tags and attributes. So tags and attributes form the foundation of HTML, and they work together with different functionalities. And I think it would be beneficial for us to invest a couple of minutes to understand the distinction between the two. So, HTML tags, they are used to indicate the start and end of an HTML element, just like this. So this is the start, and this is the end. And you notice the end has a slash before the tag, and the H1 is an HTML tag. Inside HTML tag, we have elements. The text between the tags, the start tags and end, open and close, is what we call element. So in HTML, we have 142 HTML tags. We have 115 that are functional and 27 that are being obsolete. So let's go to an attribute. HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. They provide additional information about HTML elements. I want you to note that. And they are included within the opening tag and provide the specific details. So you include them in your opening tag. So they include the name and also her value. So let's assume I have a specific information for this, a specific details for this H1, or probably I have another H1. And I have specific information for the two. So I can go ahead and call this heading 1 and give it the name heading 1, and also this heading 2, sorry about the spelling, heading 2, and I'll give it the value of heading 2. So with this, I can provide them with the specific information for each of them. So this is the name and this is the value, and they are usually separated by equal to. So we have some self-closing tags like an image tag. Let me use that. So this is a self-closing tag. If you notice, the H1 has opening and closing, but this image just open and close itself. So this is what we call a self-closing tag. So you can see this is an attribute. See, this attribute is mandatory for the image. So this is an attribute, this is an attribute. We call this SRS attribute, which means source. So I can use this to provide the information where my image is. This is my image here, and this is the name of my image. I can go ahead and include my image using the SRC attribute, which is this is alternative text. It's just to include an alternative name for your image. So I can call this is my personal image. Let's save and run this.